Hi, Chris here. Just wanted to show you how to print barcode labels using Avery.com. If you just go to www.avery.com and create an account and then log in, you'll see this project tab, and then you're going to start a new project. First thing they'll do is ask you what type, and so we type in 5160 and select this product. And then it wants to know which way we want them, select this design, and now we've got our barcode. First thing we want to do is put in the name of the school, so we add a text box, and then I had the barcode numbers pasted. Need to type in the name. Oops. Gateway Preparatory Academy, and I'm not spelling that right. Okay, so we've got it spelled right in there. And now what I can do, if I don't want it off to the side like that, I can come here and center it. And then I'll also want to pull it up a little bit, but staying out of that safety area. Now we have to create the numbers to use for our barcodes. So we come over here to More, and we look at sequential numbers, and we have to figure out the start value. So to figure out the start value, I can go back to Koha and I can run a report of used barcodes. And I can look and see the last one she left off on was 700-501. So I'll want to start there. So I put in 700-501, and the ending value will do 300 barcodes. So we'll do 700-801. Okay, and then after I do that, I can just say add sequential numbers, and it's added it in there. And now we go to QR and barcodes, and we're going to change this to code 39, and we're going to say create. But first we have to merge our numbers. So see this right here? This is that sequential number that I made. And I have to move that up there. It's kind of tricky dragging it sometimes, but move it up there, and then I'm going to uncheck these boxes. Always want to make sure you uncheck that use check digit or they won't work. And then I'm going to put it in here. So see, now I've got my number, and I'll probably want to do the same thing, center this one, but maybe I want the barcode above and that number where I can read it down. Oops. Okay, so I can just drag and adjust these to the right height that I want, just trying to keep them centered and keep them out of the safety zone. So now I've got everything I want on there, and I can just come down here to preview and print. And then I look at the numbers, and I can look at all the pages if I want. And I just want to make sure that they went in there sequentially. Okay. So then I say print it yourself, and I say print now, and they'll save it. So I highly suggest you do that, because what I do is just use that template for the next batch. And so I save it to my account. That way I can access it anywhere. And then this comes up where I can download the PDF. And then once I have it down in my downloads, I can open it up. And this is the PDF that I send to, let's see if I can get it in the picture there. This is the PDF that I will send you to print out on your own labels. But that's how you can make these all yourself. Okay, then you say everything's great. And then I could apply that to another product, or I can just go exit out. And if I go to the end, I just go to open. I can open any of my other ones, see where I've saved it right there. And I can apply it to another design, or I can do more numbers. So once you've got that, you print it out on the labels and you're good to go. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.